Follow along with me as we check the air conditioner. Well, not the air conditioner, the air handler. To see how it's doing. About 2 or 3 weeks ago, had an issue where it backed up. And after cleaning out the condensate line, it really seemed like the inside was getting very, very dirty. And so, did some more asking of dumb questions on various social platforms to other people smarter than me who volunteered their time and knowledge to help me out. Can't get this out of here. Here we go. And we determined that more than likely the holes in the sides of this thing that were causing the issue. So let's head over there. And I have my mask on. I care about my ability to breathe more than you seeing my beautiful mug. So this is what you get. But what I asked last time was, or on the last video, to folks that gave me suggestions. So that condensate line was cleaned out. There was no blockage. There were no issues from the PVC portion of it. But on the inside there were issues, and you might be able to see that. A lot of blockage and dust buildup. But what you can see, like here and here, that duct tape, I did that temporarily. There's some here, and one last piece right there. Those are all just open holes. And for those of you that are new here, I run a mealworm farm. Oops, sorry. All those trays are full of bugs, full of mealworms and beetles. And unfortunately, it's a dusty business. And so, my hypothesis is that those holes are allowing all the air to get sucked in there and all the dust to get sucked in. And so, I closed them up with some duct tape. I need to get some real tape. But I'm going to open this up and take a look at it real quick and see. Well, helps if I grab the right bit. I'd like to see if what I changed is helpful in any way, or has helped. That's better. Go here. See? Nice hole. Thanks, installers. Flashlight would help. Just need to remember where I put it. Aha! Alright, let's see what we can see. Oh yeah. That is way better than it was before. So the white there, whoop, the white there, and the white there, that's the tray. That was disgustingly dirty before. This is beautiful. Oh! I'm so excited. I can't. You beautiful strangers on the internet, you have no idea the positive impact that you can make on somebody's life. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't even need to go further because, well, I should. I'm here. Let's take this off. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to lower myself down here. And I'm gonna angle you guys a little different. I'm not a professional videographer. I'm just a dude who raises mealworms. Actually, I don't need to take that one out. Oh, that one's not even in anything. Huh, thanks, installers. Yeah, let me put these down. I am prone to dropping things and complicating my life because I don't take moments to just declutter or put stuff in. Okay, so this tape, I'm sure the underside of this, it was the top side of this that was exposed. That's why I only did one on the top. And this was just sort of temporary. Yeah, see that opening there? It's just sucking right in. Oh, that should be good. That should allow me to... This piece doesn't come all the way out, which is weird, like the flashlight that I dropped. I don't understand why this is, like why the... Or what I'm not understanding in order to do it different. The PVC... Sorry. The PVC goes in there, but the metal from this guy goes underneath it. Can't get this out. It's just... Oh man, so that is still way better than before. Way better. So that's a good example of what it looks like, and that's that gunk right there. So I'll go back and look at the pictures I took. But all that is clean from my perspective. When I opened this up last time, that part there was gunked up with all that. I think that's a residual leftover. So let's see if I can point this a little better for you guys. That right there. Yeah. So it's just gunky. But that was the whole thing, and it was all plugged up over there. But this looks way better. It's been 2 to 3 weeks. There's no other residual. Like this is clean. I think that's working. So I will close this back up. I might get back to doing what it needs to do. Okay. Yeah, I don't understand why that part back there is the way it is. I'm focused on trying to get this done after a long day. My video skills are lacking. I'm just a normal guy like everybody watching here. If somebody wants to come make a documentary and show me up, you're welcome to do that. You don't even have to pay me. I'll tell you all this stuff and show it to you all. That back on there. And I need to get some legit HVAC tape for that. That'll do for now. And that covered the top part. I know it looks open down there, but it was this top section that's problematic. Okay. Let me stand up for the rest of this. Uh-oh. Oh, good. Fell out where I could see it. Magnetic bit would be nice, but I don't know where the magnetic bit for the small ones went. More than likely, it's the last place I used it, right? And please remember, always turn this stuff off before you mess with it, turn the breaker off. Honestly, I don't know why I did the dual camera mode, because you're just seeing the filter here. But it is what it is. Okay, let me double check that I got all the screws are gone. That didn't have a screw. Yeah. So we'll probably need a piece of tape over that. Or a screw. Yeah, that should do it. So I'll power everything back on. But I think all I need to do is replace this with the legit HVAC tape. But that was my issue. That guy I'm routinely cleaning out with the vinegar you see sitting there. And it seems to be doing okay. And then I was pretty paranoid in checking the drainage every time for about a week, and it's doing good. So checking that, it sucks because that's another 30 minutes out of my day. I have to get all this stuff ready and then do this. I guess it really only took me 15. I just like to feel it. It feels like it took longer. So, alright, let's get this stuff put away. I will probably set a calendar reminder and check that again. Probably should check that again in another couple weeks, just to be sure. This back. No, it didn't there, sorry. And my brain is tired. It's been a long, productive day, but my brain is tired. I needed this guy, but for the smaller size, probably with, I did a project with some trays earlier this week, probably with that. I really like this bit. It came with a pack of hex screws. Usually these are junk, but this one is really good. I got lucky. Alright. On to the next thing is a mealworm farmer that I don't know anything about and I'm going to have to learn about in order to make all this work. Until then,